Dreaming of skin so luminous it looks like glass? Welcome back. Today we're diving into the glass skin trend. Yes, that radiant, dewy look everyone's obsessed with. But here's the truth. It's not about perfection or expensive products. Glass skin is about healthy, hydrated, glowing skin, achievable for everyone. In this video, I'll break down what glass skin really is, the science behind it, and the exact steps to get there. We'll cover the essential routine, must-have ingredients, layering tips, and the biggest mistakes to avoid. Plus, I'll share some easy DIY recipes and lifestyle hacks to boost your glow. Grab your notebook. Let's get started on your healthiest skin ever. Let's clear up the hype. Glass skin comes from KBeauty and means skin that's so hydrated, smooth, and clear it almost looks translucent. It's not about being flawless or poreless. Real skin has texture and pores. The goal is healthy, plump, radiant skin, not chasing an unrealistic ideal. Think of glass skin as a journey focused on nourishing and protecting your skin barrier. It's about consistent hydration and gentle care, not perfection. When your skin is deeply hydrated, pores and fine lines look minimized, and you get that signature reflective glow. So forget perfection. Focus on ultimate skin health. Celebrate your skin's progress, not airbrushed photos. Healthy, hydrated skin is the real goal. Here's why the glass skin routine works. It's all about hydration and light reflection. Picture your skin as a brick wall. Cells are bricks, lipids are mortar. When dehydrated, the wall cracks and looks dull. Hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin plump up the bricks, while ceramides reinforce the mortar. This smooths the surface so light reflects evenly, creating that glassy glow. Every step, from toner to serum, builds hydration in thin layers for a plump, bouncy texture. It's not magic, it's science and consistency. The glow is proof your skin is healthy from within. Let's dive right in and bust some common glass skin myths. We're here to set the record straight and reveal the truth behind achieving that coveted, radiant complexion. Myth 1. You need perfect, poreless skin to even begin thinking about glass skin. False. Absolutely false. Texture and pores are completely normal and a natural part of having skin. Everyone has them. Glass skin is fundamentally about healthy skin, not some unattainable standard of flawlessness. It's about radiance and hydration. Myth 2. You absolutely have to buy luxury, high-end products to achieve glass skin results. Nope, that's simply not true. Affordable products packed with the right ingredients and used consistently can work wonders for your skin. Myth 3. Only young skin, or already good skin, has the potential to achieve glass skin. Wrong. Incorrect. Any age, any skin type can absolutely get there with a dedicated and well-suited skincare routine. Myth 4. You're going to see dramatic glass skin results overnight. Skincare and achieving healthy skin takes time and dedication. Consistency is absolutely key to seeing lasting results. Don't get discouraged or give up if you don't wake up looking like a glazed donut after just one day of trying. Focus on deep hydration, gentle care for your skin, and above all, patience with the process. The real secret to achieving your best skin? Consistency in your routine and using the right ingredients for your skin type. Not chasing after perfection or being fooled by expensive price tags. Anyone, regardless of their starting point, can achieve their healthiest, most radiant, and glowiest skin possible. So, let go of the limiting myths and instead embrace the journey and the process of taking care of your skin. Your skin will absolutely thank you for the love and attention. Remember, achieving healthy, glowing skin is a marathon, not a sprint to the finish line. Stay patient with your skin, celebrate even the smallest signs of progress, and enjoy the process of taking care of yourself. Ready to unlock the secrets to glass skin? Here's how to build your glass skin regimen, a comprehensive guide to achieving that coveted radiant complexion. We'll break down each step, explaining why it's crucial and how to incorporate it into your daily life. Start with a double cleanse at night. This is non-negotiable. An oil-based cleanser first to dissolve makeup, sunscreen, and excess sebum, then a gentle water-based cleanser to remove any remaining impurities. This ensures your skin is perfectly clean and ready to absorb the following products. Exfoliate 2, 3 times a week with a mild AHA or BHA to smooth texture and remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, more even skin tone. But don't overdo it. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin barrier. Apply a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prep it for the next steps. Look for toners packed with humectants like glycerin or hyaluronic acid to draw moisture into the skin. Follow with an essence for deep, watery hydration. Essences are lightweight and absorb quickly, delivering a concentrated dose of moisture. Next, layer your serums. This is where you can target specific skin concerns. Start with hyaluronic acid for plumping and intense hydration, then vitamin C for brightness and antioxidant protection, and finally, niacinamide for pores, redness, and overall skin texture improvement. Lock it all in with a moisturizer suited to your skin type. This will create a barrier to prevent moisture loss. Look for ceramides to seal in hydration and support a healthy skin barrier. In the morning, always finish with SPF 30+. It's the most important step in any skincare routine. No excuses. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and sun damage. At night, consider a nourishing facial oil to add an extra layer of moisture and lock in all the goodness. Or a hydrating sleeping mask a few times a week for an intensive moisture boost while you sleep. The key is layering thin, hydrating products for maximum glow and optimal absorption. Don't skip steps, but don't overload your skin either. Listen to your skin and adjust the routine as needed. Consistency and gentle care are everything when it comes to achieving and maintaining glass skin. This routine cleanses, treats, hydrates, and protects, covering all the essential bases for healthy, radiant skin. Every step matters in creating that coveted glass-like effect. Adjust products to your skin's needs, but keep the core steps consistent for best results. Healthy, glowing skin starts with the right routine, so embrace these steps and watch your skin transform. Let's talk ingredients, the real game changers that can transform your skin. We're diving deep into the components that truly deliver results, moving beyond the hype to focus on what science and experience have proven effective. Hydration heroes, hyaluronic acid, a moisture magnet that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, and glycerin, another humectant, pull water into your skin for instant plumpness and a dewy glow. It's a classic ingredient for a reason. It works. Barrier boosters, ceramides, the lipids that naturally occur in your skin, repair and protect, locking in all that moisture and preventing environmental damage. Think of them as the mortar that holds your skin cells together. Brighteners, vitamin C fades dark spots, evens skin tone, and boosts glow. It's also a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin from free radical damage. Niacinamide minimizes pores, controls oil production, and calms redness, making it a great all-around ingredient for many skin types. KBeauty favorites. Snail mucin hydrates and repairs, thanks to its unique blend of hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, and enzymes. Propolis, another bee-derived ingredient, soothes and nourishes, offering antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. Fermented ingredients like rice water brighten and soften, improving skin texture and radiance through gentle exfoliation. Cica, Centella asiatica, calms and heals sensitive or irritated skin, reducing redness and promoting wound healing. Look for these on ingredient lists. They're your roadmap to glass skin and a healthier, more radiant complexion. You don't need everything at once. Pick what fits your skin's needs and concerns. Focus on hydration, barrier support, and gentle brightening to achieve a balanced and healthy glow. The right ingredients, when used consistently, make all the difference in the health and appearance of your skin. Build your routine around these powerhouses for real, visible, and long-lasting results. Layering matters. Always go from thinnest to thickest texture. After cleansing and toning, start with watery essences and serums. Apply vitamin C first on clean, dry skin, then hydrating serums like hyaluronic acid, followed by niacinamide. Give each layer a moment to absorb. Finish with moisturizer, then sunscreen in the morning. This order ensures every product works its best. Don't mix too many actives at once. Keep it simple. Thinnest to thickest is the golden rule for maximum glow. Avoid these common mistakes that sabotage your glow. Over-exfoliating, less is more. Stick to 2-3 times a week. Using harsh stripping cleansers, choose gentle, hydrating formulas. Skipping hydration if you have oily skin. Hydrated skin balances oil. Expecting instant results, give your routine at least a month. Using too many new products at once, introduce one at a time. Neglecting sunscreen, SPF is non-negotiable. Listen to your skin. If it's irritated, scale back. Consistency beats intensity every time. Track your progress with photos. Don't chase every trend. Stick to what works for you. Protect your barrier above all. Healthy habits equal healthy glow. Love a good DIY? Here are a few gentle, effective recipes. DIY rice water toner. Soak and strain rice. Use the milky water as a brightening toner. Honey and green tea mask. Mix raw honey with cooled green tea. Apply for 15 minutes for hydration and calm. Pure aloe vera gel. Straight from the plant or 100% pure gel, soothes and hydrates. Fermented rice mask, blend cooked rice with water, let ferment for 2-3 days, then use as a gentle exfoliating mask. Always patch test first. These are great supplements, but not replacements for your core routine. Keep it simple and safe. Glass skin isn't just about what you put on your face. It's a lifestyle. Hydrate from the inside. Drink plenty of water daily. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Think berries, leafy greens, and healthy fats like avocados and salmon. Get enough sleep. Your skin repairs itself overnight. Manage stress. High stress can trigger breakouts and dullness. Exercise regularly for better circulation and a natural glow. Cleanse after workouts to prevent clogged pores. Healthy habits amplify your skincare results. Glow from the inside out. Let's get practical with product picks and troubleshooting. Budget-friendly, try CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, and La Roche-Posay Sunscreen. Mid-range, CoSRX Snail Mucin Essence, Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum, Purito Centella Serum. Luxury, Tatcha Rice Wash, Solwasu, First Care Serum. Splurge if you want, but not required. Oily/acne-prone skin. Use lightweight gel-based hydrators and BHA exfoliants. Avoid heavy creams. Dry skin layer hydrating products. Use richer creams and facial oils. Sensitive skin. Go slow. Use fragrance-free, barrier-repairing products and gentle exfoliants. Introduce new products one at a time. Adjust the routine to your skin's needs. The core principles work for everyone. Just tweak for your skin type. Consistency and customization are key. Anyone can achieve their healthiest glow. That's your complete glass skin guide. Remember, it's about healthy, hydrated skin, not perfection. Be patient, stay consistent, and celebrate every bit of progress. Share your journey in the comments and subscribe for more tips. Listen to your skin. It knows what it needs. Here's to your healthiest, glowiest skin ever. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, make sure to hit like, leave a comment with your favorite DIY recipe, and subscribe for more glowing skin secrets. Your support helps us bring you more natural beauty inspiration. See you in the next video.